Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and this winter, let's get warm and cozy.
This is the Sherpa Fleece Zip-Up Hoodie by Kinkia, and it is like a wearable blanket. It is lined with this amazing Sherpa fleece. It goes up all the way up to the inside of the sleeves. It is just so cozy, such an easy thing to put on, but yet isn't big and bulky. The zipper is so high quality, well made, easy to zip up and zip down, and it has two awesome pockets on the side. You can put your hands in your pocket to store things or to keep your hands warm. It is just such a beautiful zip-up hoodie. If you are like my husband and you work at home, it gets that little extra coziness when he's at the computer. It is not only soft on the inside, but also on the outside, which is great for when you're taking a moment to sit down and relax and you're with that special someone. It's great to be cozy on the inside. That also makes you cuddly on the outside. Temperatures drop a lot at night, so this is a great thing for him to have on because it has a hood. He can put it on when he goes to bed, flip that hood off, and have that coziness around his ears and his head. This is just such a beautiful sweater inside and out, goes with so much, and we love it.
You can put on inside or out and get that warm, cozy blanket feeling no matter where you are. And that's my point of view.